Hey guys, welcome back to Hot Tub How-Tos, brought to you by Isaac's Pools and Spas in Johnson City. My name is Matthew Croy, your host and spa consultant, and today we're going to be talking about the portable spa vac. As we all know, one of the most important parts of owning a spa is to keep the water clean. As we use the spa daily, we can track dirt and debris into the water that settles to the bottom of the spa. That can be difficult to get that out. Hotspring has a great product. It's called a spa vac that makes removing the dirt and debris from the bottom of the spa very simple. Hotsprings Spa Vac is very simple to use. It's not electronic, it doesn't require batteries, it simply uses a vacuum created by water pressure. On the end of it, there is a small hole there. You place your thumb over that. Once the vacuum is completely submerged under the water, you release your thumb and it will create a draw to pull all the debris and dirt up into the vacuum chamber. Once you remove the vacuum from the water, there is a screen in the bottom of this that captures all the debris and allows the water to flow back out into the spa. So you place your thumb on the back of the hole, on the end of the rod, and then you place the vacuum inside of the water, and then when you release your thumb off of the back of the vacuum, it'll create a suction to pull all the debris up into this chamber. Here we go. And then you can simply lift the vacuum up out of the water and it filters that water as it goes back into the spa and captures all the debris down here in this canister. The Spa Vac from Hotsprings Spas is a great product, very simple to use. Every spa owner should have one. We do have these in stock here at Isaac's Pools and Spas in Johnson City. Come see us today to get your new Spa Vac. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to catch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook at Isaac's Pools.